3 weeks of detoxifying experience 21-day detox diet. Are you in for a 21-day detox diet program? Well, make sure you're ready for such a stringent diet of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lots of fluid. Otherwise, you may end up exasperated of not being able to complete the whole program and treat yourself instead to more junk food. That's right. Getting into a 21-day detox diet is never easy. Any person who wishes to undergo this program should be emotionally, physically, and mentally prepared. Changing your eating habits may also mean changing your lifestyle. There are several 21-day detox diet programs. So how do you know which ones to choose? First, like any other detox programs, have yourself assessed by a health professional. People with problems in kidneys, liver, heart, pancreas, parathyroid, and other pre-existing disorders may not be allowed to undergo a detox diet program. Some 21-day detox diet programs include workshops on food preparation, group support, nutritional medicine, enzyme theory, therapeutic fasting, colon care, energy medicine, acid/alkaline testing, and healthy shopping. The program may be separated into 3 parts and on a weekly basis. For instance, some 21-day detox diet programs may focus on fruits and vegetables to acclimatize the body on eating only these foods for the first week. This plant-based diet encourages participants to steer away from animal products to lessen the amount of toxin exposures by as much as 50%. A menu is required in order for participants to strictly follow the program. In the second week, you may proceed with a live food diet, eating only uncooked foods and 2 smoothie meals, blended, minimizing the stress placed on your digestive system. You will be provided with an organic live food menu. The purpose is to keep you away from processed foods and increase your nutrient intake by eating uncooked vegetables. Week 3 of a 21-day detox diet program is the liquid diet. This is supposed to relieve your digestive of any stresses and ensure healing at intracellular level. Your diet will be diverted from a whole plant-based diet to blended food. Of course, the benefits of a liquid diet will definitely be discussed to psychologically support you. It is also helpful to support this program with application of reflexology, meditation, yoga, and light therapy, as well as the chakra system as a tool in healing. The final stage of a 21-day detox diet program includes hints and shopping guides for you to maintain in this frame of mind and diet.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.